Hi folks, this is Alex Fedikov. Finally I got me this camera. It's a Hero 3 brand GoPro and it's a black edition which is supposed to be top of the line for this moment. And I'm gonna open this and see what we got inside of this package. Also, tomorrow I'm going to the beach and I'm gonna take some videos and see how it's gonna look like. Well, so here's the package. I bought it from Best Buy and it comes with 16 gig of memory which they give me for free. That's what they say. Okay, let's see what is there. Let's open this bag. So here's the memory. And here's the box. And again, it's in some plastic. I don't know if this is from factory like this or is this Best Buy doing this? I don't know. Let's open this plastic. Here it is. GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition. And it's supposed to do 1080p with 60 frames per second, which if it does, it would be great to make slow-mo. Also, it's supposed to have 4K ability to take videos. Okay. As far as I can see, it's a camera and remote and something else is down there in the box. So let's open this box. There's a couple things on the side. You just peel it. Well, that's hard to peel. Man, that's really hard to peel off, so I have to be careful not to break the box. Okay, one is off. It's not easy. Really? Okay, I got another one. Now, I would guess it's supposed to come out. Let's see. Okay, now it's coming out. There is another box. It's a nice packaging, I have to admit. And there is another arrow which says pull this way. Okay. Now, all right. Here it is. Camera and remote. Nice looking package. Now, how we open this? I guess. Oh, it shows here. It just says pull up. Wow. Okay. Here's what's inside of this box. Wi-Fi remote information. This is the owner manual and something else. I don't know, all this in Chinese or Japanese. Now there is more to it. Let's open the... Okay, here is another box. Let's see what we have in this box. Okay, this is mounting device. Here's another clip to camera. There is few more mounting things with stickers. One is with flat bottom and the other one is kind of rounded shape. Okay, here's the battery. Man, this battery is really much smaller compared to Hero 3. I mean Hero 2. That was one much bigger. This is really small. Now we have a USB cable. We have back door with holes. This is for recording. Just when you record without, when you record not underwater, so these doors will give you chance to record the sound. When you put it back here, it's gonna give you sound. Here's another cable, and it looks like this cable, yes, for the remote charging. Let's see if I can take it out. Man. Maybe this. Yes. Yes, so this is supposed to charge. Okay, there is. Okay. I think I got it. Here's a lock. And if you unlock this and take this out, so this charger will go here. And just plug it into USB and it gives you power to charge the remote. Looking good. What else? Okay, here's the key ring for the remote. All right. And 3 stickers, so you can use them anywhere you want to promote this company. Well, it's a good looking stickers. Okay, now let's take this camera off this display stand. How are we gonna do this? I'm not sure, but Wow, that's not an easy task if you don't know how. Okay, I see it says here remove. We need to remove this pin. There is some plastic and it tells us to remove it. I don't know, should I break it or how is it gonna be removed? Not sure, maybe just untie this. No, it's not coming out. That's for sure. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or it's just unnecessary complications. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just unscrew this and see what's gonna happen next. Sorry, I didn't think. Oh, okay. So obviously I was right. To remove this thing, you have to unscrew this. And then camera will be out of the stand. I don't know. So here's the camera. I'll take care of this later. And this looks much smaller than previous version, which is here too. And locking mechanism has now some security lock before you can open it. And here it is. Wow, that's much smaller. Absolutely. Look at this size. If you have here too, you'll definitely recognize that this is much smaller camera. Okay, so far looks good. And another thing is, again, there is a lock for the battery door. Okay, it's coming out. And here's the battery. And you just push it in nice and gently. What is this? So when you take it out, you have to take by this thing. Okay, that's some improvement. So battery goes there, and door goes back. Just lock the mechanism. Wow, it's blinking. Wow, what's going on? It shows me no SD card. Of course it's here. So basically it shows me it's starting. It must work. So tomorrow I'll go to the beach and I'll try to take some interesting videos, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube again, and you'll see what would be the quality on different setups of this camera. I'll see you then. Bye bye.